August. It's travel season. Our guest today wants to help you enjoy your summer vacation with an incredible giveaway.
Yes, travel expert Lisa Niver is here to explain why Scottsdale, Arizona, the perfect place to go this summer. Hi, good to see you.
It's great to see you guys again. Happy summer.
Happy summer. Hot though in Arizona, no?
It's so hot in Arizona. It's so hot that their website is called itsthathot.com.
Oh, that's cute.
And in Arizona, a lot of times people want to go to Arizona. They want to go to the luxury retreats, and fall and winter it can be out of reach. But at itsthathot.com, the resorts are 50 to 70% off.
Wow. Okay. Kind of the same thing we're seeing in our local desert, like Palm Springs, the same kind of thing.
Yeah.
True.
And the same, really the same kind of activities.
It's very similar activities, but it's only 1 hour flight. And so it's close by, and you just have to think about how to beat the heat. If you're in the desert, you have to pay attention.
So what do you do?
Right there.
Right
Sunscreen.
here.
In the pool? Sit in the
All day
pool?
right there.
Well, this is a beautiful shot of the Fairmount Scottsdale Princess. This is Sunset Beach. They have 800 tons of white sand that they brought in. This is the Well and Being Spa. So in the afternoon when it gets too hot, you definitely want to go in the spa. This is the singing bowls. That's the treatment I had. And literally, the vibrations change your cells.
Ooh.
So this is sunrise. So in the morning at sunrise, you want to get outside at dawn. That's part of the way to beat the heat. And then in the afternoon, you can in the early morning, be at the pool. Here's another idea. In the morning, I went kayaking. This is the Lower Salt River. It was so much fun. Normally when I kayak, you have to actually do some work. But this was there, we just kind of paddled along. We even went a little bit backwards. So it was so pleasant. You can see all kinds of animals, eagles. Sometimes there's wild horses. They come for the water.
Ooh.
But the kayaking was beautiful. It's less than an hour away from Old Town, so you have the opportunities to enjoy Old Town and then look at the beauty with the red rocks. It was really incredible.
So
if you like to golf too, that's the best time to go out early.
And they have air-conditioned golf carts, but
Oh yeah, that's
do
right.
not.
yeah,
Yes.
they do. I swear they do.
They do.
Play golf with the boys, and they thought that was the coolest thing.
That is funny. I've heard of heat, but not air conditioning.
Get out of the cart, it's 105, you hit the ball, you get back in the AC.
It's like Vegas.
It's similar. I mean, when you're in the desert, you have to make sure to pay attention to how to take care of yourself. So go to the spa in the afternoon, be out kayaking or hiking in the morning, and of course, enjoy the incredible hotel.
Great. Well, thank you so much for telling us about it. Let's go.
So you got a giveaway too?
Of course, we have a giveaway. We have a text to win giveaway, and you're going to win 2 nights at the Fairmount Scottsdale Princess, dinner for 2 at Bourbon Steak, a spa treatment for 2, and round-trip flights.
Wow, that's a lot. All right, and all you have to do is text HOTEL to 515151. 1,000th entry will win a 2-night stay, again, at the Fairmont in Scottsdale.
And don't forget the 60-minute massages. 2 of them.
That's right.
And the singing bowls.
And I like the name of that restaurant, Bourbon Steak, because that's my 2 favorites.
All right, Bourbon.
Steak and bourbon.
Steak. All right, Lisa, good to see you.
Thank you so much.
you.
Have a great summer.
And of course, for more travel adventures from Lisa Niver, head over to wesaidgotravel.com.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.